How to edit shipping on Shopify. So to edit everything related to shipping on Shopify, you need to go first to your dashboard, then go to the settings that's seen on the bottom left panel. Now in the settings page, click on shipping and delivery. One of the things you can do is to change the shipping rates. To do that, click on manage. Here you can create shipping zones by clicking create zone and choosing the countries you want within the certain zone. After that, you can pair the zones with different shipping rates. To do that, just click add rate, then input the rate name along with the price, then hit done. Then if you're finished, just click save on the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you go back to the page of the shipping and delivery settings, you can also manage your processing time. Just click manage next to it. Here you have the option to use processing time to show delivery rates on checkout. To do that, just put a check on the checkbox, then click the drop down menu for your processing time and choose then save. Next up is the local delivery. Click on shop location to edit this one. If your store offers local delivery, check the checkbox and just input the needed information in here. Then the last two are just options to enable third-party calculated rates at checkout and adding an email for custom fulfillment service. So that is how to edit shipping on Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.